In this video, we are going to see how to use DHT11 sensor, the humidity and temperature sensor. So let's get started. For this we need Arduino. I am using Arduino Nano 16:2 LCD display, and we need DHT11 humidity and temperature sensor. This is the sensor and it has 4 pins, but this module has 3 pins. If you keep counting from this side, that is left, 1, 2, 3, 4, then pin number 3 is no connection pin. So ultimately we have 3 pins. This is no connection pin, so we have 3 pins. So these are the 3 pins: signal, VCC and ground. We will connect this to plus 5 volt and ground pin to the ground, and we will connect the signal pin to pin 9 of Arduino. We will connect this plus 5 volt pin to plus 5 volt, ground pin to ground. Now we have to connect the display and the Arduino. This VSS will be connected to the ground, VDD will be connected to the plus 5 volt, reset pin will go to pin number 2 of Arduino, enable pin to pin number 3, digital 4 to pin number 4, this 5 to 5, D6 to 6, D7 to 7. This read-write pin and the cathode pin will go to ground, and the anode pin of LED will be connected to the plus 5 volt through 220 ohms resistor. We have one more pin, V0. This will be connected to the middle pin of a potentiometer. Its value is 10 kilo ohms. One end of the potentiometer will be connected to the ground and the other one will be connected to the plus 5 volt. So this is the complete connection. Now we'll see this on practical. Arduino Nano potentiometer for this display, and here this is the sensor, and I am putting it here. 5 volt and ground is connected to the positive and negative rail. This middle pin is connected to positive. The signal pin is connected to pin number 9 of Arduino, and ground pin of sensor is connected to the negative rail. Both the end of potentiometer is connected to positive and negative. V0 is connected to middle pin of potentiometer. RS pin to D2, RW to negative rail, pin E to D3, pin 4 to 4, 5 to 5, 6 to 6 and 7 to 7. Anode to positive through 220 ohms resistor, and cathode to ground. Connect both the positive and negative rails. The program is already uploaded. You can get this program from video description. To use this program, we need to install library. Go to Sketch, include library, manage libraries. Type simpleDHT, simpleDHT. Install this one. It is installed. Now close. Now I am connecting plus 5 volt, negative and positive. It is showing the readings. Now see this. So this is how this works. So guys, this is all for today. I hope you like this video. If so, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. In the next video, I'll show you another topic. Till then, stay happy and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.